Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by buying and equipping the audio recorder in the truck. This gets you on the clock. Walk into the house and set it down on a flat surface near where activity is strongest, because placement determines range and clarity. Once placed, make sure the device is turned on and visible, then back away a few meters to avoid drowning out responses with your own noise. This first step begins evidence capture, and it sets up everything that follows during the hunt. You now aim to coax clear EVPs. Stand back and place the recorder 1 to 3 meters from suspected hotspots like doorways or EMF readings, because closer placement improves pickup without obstruction. Make sure you and teammates stay quiet, turn off flashlights, and move slowly so ambient sounds don't mask the ghost. Ask short, direct questions. What is your name? Then pause 15 to 20 seconds. Ghosts often answer after a delay. This measured approach produces the best audio evidence. You finish by retrieving the recorder before you exit. Once back in the truck, play it immediately to review any EVPs you captured, because prompt review confirms usable clips. Tag clear responses as evidence and correlate them with EMF, fingerprints, or temperature readings to identify the ghost type. If you hear nothing, troubleshoot. Make sure it was on, not obstructed, and that your game audio and microphone settings aren't muted. Repositioning or quieter play often fixes missed recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.